The urge to quickly earn money online while staying at home has increased over the past few years. The beauty of the internet is that it serves as a potent sales channel, marketing network, and social media hub, among many other purposes. Beyond completing surveys and selling used goods on marketplaces, there are a variety of inventive ways to make quick money online. We'll go through several online money-making idea truths in this guide. But before moving ahead, you're welcome to NetWealth, the largest YouTube channel about finance and investment. Please take a brief moment, go down and touch the like button, and if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, go to subscribe NetWealth to stay connected. Number 1. Start an Etsy shop. Are you creative or a pro at garage sales with a talent for graphic design? What? Have you ever given a homemade gift and got the comment, "You should sell these"? You might want to think about opening an Etsy store. The most prosperous Etsy shop owners conduct business as though it were a physical storefront. Use lovely presentation techniques to show off your products and excellent photos to highlight your expertise. Make sure you're providing value to the customers and that you're earning a profit before deciding on the price of your products. Don't forget to take shipping and other costs into account. Offer a truly unique product? Yes, that is something special if you want to succeed on Etsy. Even though regular beaded earrings are attractive, your customized jewelry should fill a certain niche and be made with an idea that is particular to you. Make sure you utilize terminology and descriptions that appropriately represent the product by approaching your store from the perspective of a customer. Number 2. Sell your stuff on eBay. Running a whole eBay store requires time and effort, and getting started can be challenging. However, eBay can be a fantastic resource if you want to make money by selling your collectible things, handbags, one-of-a-kind little antiques, or other sellable items. Gather the products you want to unload first. Next, decide if eBay is the best platform for selling those specific things. If you've already bought and sold anything on eBay, you should have a rating. If it's positive, it will be of great use to you. Concentrate on selling compact, transportable, and collectible things. There are many people out there who have turned reselling thrift store finds online into a successful business. Although it requires a lot of time and effort, this type of buying and selling may be a very rewarding business if you have a keen sense of value and a passion for deals. Number 3. Start a delivery shopping service. Many people are currently having difficulty leaving their homes. Some of us would give practically anything to have a hot meal fully made and brought to our door, even though this pandemic is making many of us learn to cook on the spot. Therefore, if you drive and can assist in delivering goods to the elderly or anyone else who is presently unable to leave their home, that is an incredibly valuable service you can offer, along with earning some extra money. You will be contributing to the survival of the economy and society. Number 4. Trade cryptocurrency. Your currency also changes as the digital world does. What was once a gimmick will eventually become the preferred way to earn big money. According to Gallup's survey, 10% of participants said they preferred using cash as a form of payment in 2016, down from 19% in 2011. Although Bitcoin is still in its infancy, it will eventually take over as the norm. The main cryptocurrency platforms today could be Bitcoin and Ethereum, but the blockchain will eventually transform the US dollar into the digital dollar. By trading cryptocurrencies on websites like eToro and Kraken, among many others, you can profit from the recent rise in cryptocurrencies. Number 5. Sell services on Fiverr. Since its start, Fiverr has experienced substantial growth. Nowadays, there is a sizable market for freelance labor in which you can sell just about any type of service. This is excellent if you want to earn money online as a remote employee or even while sitting everywhere at home in your pajamas using a laptop. What can you sell on Fiverr especially? Everything from graphics and design to digital marketing, freelance writing and translation, music and audio, video and animation, coding and application development, business services and lifestyle services like gaming and celebrity impressions. Number 6. Build sales funnels. Every profitable company has an automated sales funnel, but a lot of companies are entirely ignorant of the potential of a good funnel. The sales process is automated thanks to sales funnels. They aid in the development of bonds between you and your audience and customers. There are many resources available to help you develop a sales funnel. However, the most prosperous companies in the world frequently employ funnels that are specially coded. A free offer, often known as a lead magnet, is often the first step in an expert sales funnel. You build trust with the customer by providing value in the lead magnet. Typically, the second stage includes a tripwire or self-liquidating offer. These are hard-to-refuse offers that frequently range from $7 to $47. Beyond that, the front-end offer is typically there, along with one-time offers to help increase the average cart value and the customer lifetime value. Even though there are many technical aspects to sales funnels, being aware of them now could position you for greater success in internet marketing. Additionally, it will assist you in growing your organization by improving your conversion rate. Number 7. Launch an e-commerce site. E-commerce is flourishing while Amazon dominates the market. Customers buy in large numbers when they can take advantage of fantastic deals. In fact, a number of the top internet marketers like Neil Patel, David Sharp, John Reese, and many others use free plus shipping e-commerce and book funnels to generate modest profits. This relates to the use of sales funnels in an online store context. In reality, a lot of the common misconceptions about traditional e-commerce stores, that they take months or even years to create and are expensive, are inaccurate. Number 8. Create webinars. I've got an obsession with using webinars as a sales tool. One of the most helpful skills you could have is the ability to build out automated webinars, just like businessman Jason Fladlian, who has made $100 million in sales through webinars by exclusively selling other people's products and not his own. Webinars stick to a predetermined format and structure. They follow a formula. If you can perfect that formula, you can utterly rule this market. Find a terrific chance or idea you can sell that offers enormous value. Number 9. Social media management. The maintenance of social media is a fantastic home-based income opportunity. Businesses are clamoring to get in front of prospects given the growth of social media. The majority of businesses, though, have no idea how to boost their exposure. Here is where you come in. It could take some time and effort to build a social media management firm, but it will be well worth it. You can handle each company's social media accounts for a significant monthly fee, which would enable you to work this position full-time and make a good living. Jinga Social's founder, Liz Benny, not only established one of the biggest and most well-known social media management firms in history, but also generated many seven-figure webinars that instruct others on how to start their very own social media management business. Number 10. Teach a skill online. Find something you can share with others by getting creative and looking through your talent portfolio. Then look for settings where people want to learn. Offer your skills to a few students each week from your house if you can train yourself to play an instrument. Or have another teachable talent. It can be enjoyable and you'll relish the chance to indulge in your favorite pastimes once more. Zoom or Skype can be used to provide tutoring services from your home. Check with nearby private tutors and private schools. Check to see if any underperforming kids would benefit from one-on-one tutoring. Helping a friend or second grader with reading and arithmetic doesn't require you to be a skilled teacher. But time-pressed parents will appreciate the assistance. Ask for tips by putting your services on Facebook Live or Twitch, or use Elite Blog Academy to learn how to develop it into a long-term, lucrative, sustainable business. To find more information on making money online, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to NetWealth. And if you have any questions about online money and financial independence, please post them in the comments below. Our channel will keep you updated on productive trending topics. Thanks for your time. Cheers.